Okay, the purpose of this lab is to format drives. So we'll open up issue tracks and read the issue assigned to us and resolve it, comment, and close the ticket. So I'll mouse down and mouse over to issue tracks and click on it to load up issue tracks. I'll maximize this window, and then I'll click on our open ticket, which is need new USB drive installed. So it says, I just purchased a new USB flash drive, which is at my desk. I need help installing and formatting the drive using FAT32. I also need you to change the format of my existing D drive from FAT32 to NTFS. However, I don't have a backup of this drive, so you need to make sure I don't lose any data. Also, while you are changing the drive to NTFS, please use a new volume name of data. Okay, and we mouse down. We see that this machine is in Office 1 and the computer's name is Office 1. So let's click on Floor Overview, and then we'll click on Hardware under Office 1. Give that a moment to load up. And we'll expand Storage Devices, and we'll select the USB thumb drive and put it in a USB thumb drive. And we'll click here to view Windows 11. We'll mouse down and we'll click on File Explorer. And I will close up Quick Access. I will expand this PC. I'm going to close up Folders. I'm going to click on this PC, and Folders is closed up. My devices and drives is expanded. I can see my flash drive G. So I will right click on my flash drive G and choose Format. And I want to format this file system as FAT32, so that's good, and quick format is fine. So I'll click Start, and I get a warning. The formatting will erase all the data on the disk, and to format the disk, click OK, or otherwise click Cancel. I'm okay with that, so I'll click OK. And the format is complete, so I'll click OK and then Close. Now I'm going to right click on data and look at the properties. We can see that the file system of D is currently FAT32, and it has 258 gigs used and 549 gigs free. So we'll just keep that in our mind, because we want to change that format to NTFS. So we'll go to click on Start. We'll right click on Start and then mouse up to Windows Terminal Admin, and we'll click on Windows Terminal Admin. That'll bring up this window, and we'll type convert. We want to convert the D disk, and we want to change the file system to NTFS. And so we've got convert space D:/FS for file system, and then colon. We want the new file system to be NTFS. So we'll hit enter. And it says the type of the file system is currently FAT32. We want the new label to be data. So we'll type in data and then click enter. And we can see that the conversion is complete. So let's go back to the File Explorer and let's mouse to the D data drive again, and we'll right click again and choose Properties again. We can see that the file system is now NTFS, the volume is named data, still named data, and the use space and free space is still basically the same. Let's cancel out of that. We can just click and see that files are available. Okay, so now that we have completed the tasks, let's return to our machine, which is IT admin, and we will report what we have done by mousing down. We'll say we formatted the USB drive with FAT32. We converted the D drive to NTFS and with name data. Alright, and hopefully that's all the things we needed to do for this task. We'll click plus to commit our comments. We can see our comments is now part of this ticket. We formatted the USB drive with FAT32, we converted the D drive to NTFS, and we gave it the name data. So let's change the status of this ticket to closed by clicking closed, and then we'll do the left arrow. We should see that now there are no open tickets. Let's click on closed, and we can see the ticket we just closed. And if we scroll down, we can see our comment that we formatted the drive, converted another drive, and used the name data. So let's click score to see how we've done. All right, that looks good. So thank you for watching.